Well, this is nothing new. California has lost another major corporation, another tax base, another company that does innovation in their state to the state of Georgia. I'm talking about Yamaha. Yep, the people that make jet skis, motorcycles, all kinds of stuff. We're going to talk about all that and more right after this. So guys, before we get into today's video, we got to talk about the giveaway here on the channel. The Ram TRX is coming to an end at the end of this week. Extra entries are up now until they sell out. They're about 71% sold out. Last time I checked, could be more than that now, but a little bit over 70% sold. So most likely they'll probably sell out this evening. It'll go back to $1 per one entry for the rest of the week until it sells out, until it closes on the 17th. If you want to get involved and get in on it, you can go to tksgarage.bigcartel.com. Link is in the description down below. So let's talk about this. Yamaha leaving California after 50 years. Why are they doing it? Well, they're starting to do it here in 2026. They're going to finish the entire move before the end of 2028, ending nearly 50 years in Southern California. So the move is consolidating operations to improve efficiency, reduce costs, and be closer to its Georgia manufacturing hub. The 25-acre California campus will be sold. I can tell you right now, Yamaha wouldn't leave. They would stay in California if California wasn't so fucking retarded. Fucking retarded. And look, before y'all get in my comments and like, TK, you just hate on California, you just hate on liberals and libtards, and then let me roll this for you.
Go fuck yourself. Why don't you just go fuck yourself?
And I mean that, by the way. Anyways, so the transition is going to start now in 2026, and it will be completed before the end of 2028. They're going to move to Kennesaw, Georgia, where Yamaha already has a Marine Innovation Center. And the move is, they're saying, structural reforms to reduce cost. That's not it. It's literally because, like, environmentally, they can't do shit. They can't do things. It's like a skeleton crew. They can't really do shit at their facilities there because the state of California is so insane. I mean, absolutely insane. About 250 employees in administrative and financial roles in California are affected. Consolidation, they're basically complete a decade-long shift, moving major divisions. Marine moved in 1999 and Motorsports moved in 2019 to Georgia. So this affects Yamaha Motor Corp, motorcycles, boats, ATVs, not the separate musical instrument entity Yamaha Corp of America. That's separate. Look, man, Gavin Newsom has single-handedly fucked the entire state of California. I mean, royally effed the state of California. Like, even if Steve Hilton or Bianca wins, whichever one of them ends up getting to run against whoever the Democrat's going to be, even if one of those guys wins, it's going to be so hard to get companies to come back to California or stop their move, because the companies are going to go, cool, it's cool now while there's a Republican or somebody with common sense in office, but what happens when you're not here? We got to go back to crazy, retarded shit. They don't want to do that, understandably. Nobody wants to do business under that complete and utter disaster that is Gavin Newsom. Company after company after company after company, refineries. You can go down the list of the billions and billions of dollars of tax revenue that the state of California lost, all for being idealistic retards. Damn, I couldn't even talk. Idealistic retards. Not saying you have to totally say F the environment, but you have to have common sense and not also screw your citizens and your businesses. You have to have a balance. California doesn't have that at all. I didn't want to make this a really long video. I just thought this was interesting. As you know, the Los Angeles Times is talking about it, Cycle World, UTV Driver, Yahoo Finance. I mean, there's a bunch. Fox 5 Atlanta. Now, this is a great win for the state of Georgia. Georgia, Florida, and Texas have been snapping up corporations from New York and California, left, right, and center. Now, you got a lot of companies from Massachusetts, some biotech companies and whatnot, moving to Raleigh. They're going to North Carolina. They're going to Florida. They're going to Texas. They're going to Georgia because they're tired of Massachusetts. And they're not going to California. Look, California is awesome. I love it there. I love being able to go there probably, most of the time year round, 75 degrees. Like, it's just perfect friggin' weather. But the government there is absolutely friggin' retarded. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Give the video a big thumbs up if you like what I do. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And as always, stay petty, my friends.
For the longest time. Whoa. For the longest time.
Yo, Percocet, Miley Percocet.